This is what I like to call the pure U case, where it's only these two corners that are flipped. The algorithm for this is really simple. You make it so that the yellow headlights are pointing right, and then do right anti-soon, followed by left anti-soon. And a bit faster. Now this is what I like to call the bar case. And as you can see, we have a giant bar over here. On one side, we have two opposite stickers. On the other side, we have two adjacent stickers. What you want to do is you want to do a U2, make sure that the opposite stickers are on the right side, and then do a soon, U, anti-soon. And a bit faster. Next up, we have the mirror of this case, where we have the same bar, but the opposites are on the left instead of the right. Now, what you're going to do is very similar. You're going to put the opposite colors on the left, and you're going to execute the same combination of soon and anti-soon, but you're going to do it from the back because the headlights are pointing towards the back. So you're going to do a back soon, U prime, back anti-soon. And a bit faster. Next up is this case, which is also very easy. You can recognize it by noticing this 2x1 block here and these adjacent colors. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold it so that the 2x1 block is pointing towards the left and the headlights are towards the right. And you're going to do an anti-soon, U prime, soon. And a bit faster. Next up, we have the mirror, where the 2x1, instead of being on the left, is now on the right. And it's very similar. You're going to make sure that the 2x1 is facing to the left and the headlights of the U are facing towards the right. And you're going to do the same exact anti-soon then soon thing, but this time it's going to be back anti-soon instead of front anti-soon. So here, we're going to do back anti-soon, U, back soon. And then a bit faster. Next, we have this case where you have a 2x1 block here, but this time the colors are opposites over here. And this alg is going to be the opposite of one of the T algs you already know. Basically, what we're going to do here is we're going to hold it so that the 2x1 is on the left and the headlights of the U are facing right. You're going to take out this pair, do a U2, an R2 prime, U prime, and then insert this pair, R2, U prime, R prime, then U, do a back sexy move, and then insert this pair into the back. And then a bit faster. Oops. Now the mirror of the last case is very similar. You're going to hold the 2x1 in the left and the headlights of the U on the right. And this time you're going to begin by taking out this back pair, U2, R2, and then insert this pair into the back like that. Then U prime, sexy move, and then insert this pair into the front. Very simple. And a bit faster. Now we have the cases that I personally struggle with the most, and it's these cases, which look kind of like a U-perm from this angle, just with these two kind of missing. We have an opposite stickers here, and then we have all adjacent stickers everywhere else. Now the way we're going to solve this is by holding the opposite stickers on the right and noticing that the headlights of the U are on the back. So you're going to take out a pair from the back. Then you're going to take this pair out, do a U2 to insert it, then do an R2 prime, move this closer to this pair, then do an R2, insert this pair, do an R2 prime, insert this pair, and that's it. And then a bit faster. Now this is the mirror of the last case with the opposite colors on the left. And Similarly, we're going to move it so that the opposite colors are on the right. And since we have the headlights of the U pointing towards us, we're going to take out a pair from the front. Now, take out the pair from the back, do a U2, and then an R2, move this pair closer to this pair back here, do an R2 again, move this pair into its slot and insert it, R2, insert this pair, and then R prime. And then a bit faster, we have our Z-perm cases, where we have a sort of Z-perm-like pattern, a checkerboard almost, on either side. And what we're going to do is make sure that we have two of our Z-perm faces on the right, as you can see here. Very similar to how it was in our T case, except instead of starting with a front anti-soon here, we're going to do a back soon, and then cancel into front soon. And then a bit faster. Now we have the mirror case, and we're going to move it so that we have the two sides of the Z-perm in the right side, as you can see here. And we're going to do a front soon, followed by a back soon. And then a bit faster. Finally, we have the H-perm case, where we have all opposite colors on all the sides. And there's a lot of interesting algorithms for this case, and I'm going to show you the one that I like the most, followed by another one that you can also use if you would like. So the one that I like the most is to do a rotation like this, R2, D2, and then R prime, U prime, R, D2, R2, and then kind of insert this edge and corner via keyhole into these two pieces. You'll see what I mean. We're going to do a D, R, U, R prime, D prime. So you can see how that's kind of a keyhole insert. And then an F2 just for no reason. And then a bit faster. One option you have is to do the inverse of this alg. And that alg would look like this. Take out this back pair, take out this front pair, insert this back pair, move this corner up here, do a U2, and then insert this pair. Pretty simple. Thank you everybody, that's it for the U set of 2GLL. Next up is going to be the L set.